If you click away now, you might miss the one car gadget that completely changes your driving experience forever. Today's lineup features car gadgets every driver should own. Number 1. Ignore this tool now, and your engine problems could cost you hundreds later. The AVID ultrasonic fuel injector cleaner tester deeply cleans clogged injectors using ultrasonic technology to remove carbon buildup and improve fuel flow. It also tests injector performance to quickly identify weak or failing injectors before they create serious issues, whether you own a car, motorcycle, or small petrol engine vehicle. Number 2. Your phone dying during navigation or emergencies is the last thing you want on the road. The USB-C 90W car charger delivers powerful fast charging with PD and QC 3.0 support for iPhones, Samsung devices, tablets, and more. It even includes a coiled cable that keeps your dashboard cleaner and more organized. The compact design fits perfectly inside your vehicle without creating clutter, whether you travel daily or go on long road trips. Number 3. 1 week battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible moment. The KONNWEI KW208 battery tester checks battery health, charging status, and cranking performance within seconds. It works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more, making it useful for almost every vehicle owner. The digital display clearly shows whether your battery is healthy or close to failure. It can also test your alternator and charging system to help prevent unexpected breakdowns. Number 4. Getting stuck with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere can ruin your entire day. The AVID Power Portable Tire Inflator quickly inflates car tires, bike tires, and sports equipment without needing a gas station. Its digital pressure gauge lets you set the exact PSI, and the inflator automatically stops once the correct pressure is reached. The rechargeable battery and 12V adapter provide reliable backup during emergencies. Number 5. Your car will look boring at night once you see what these lights can do. The Xprite RGB Rock Lights kit adds bright multicolor lighting under your vehicle, wheel wells, or interior for a futuristic glow effect. Bluetooth and RF controls let you customize colors, brightness, and modes directly from your phone. These waterproof lights are built for trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, off-road vehicles, and even boats. Night driving suddenly becomes far more eye-catching and exciting. Number 6. Long drives become uncomfortable fast when your steering wheel feels rough and slippery. The Valley Comfy microfiber leather steering wheel cover upgrades comfort while giving your hands a much stronger grip. Its anti-slip design improves control and reduces fatigue during long trips. The soft microfiber leather feels premium and also protects the steering wheel from fading or cracking. The clean black finish instantly upgrades your car interior. Number 7. Paying for professional detailing again and again can get seriously expensive. The Saker cordless car buffer polisher makes polishing, waxing, and scratch removal easy from home. It comes with multiple attachments for different detailing tasks and features adjustable speed settings for better control. The cordless design makes it comfortable and easy to move around your vehicle. Dual batteries help you continue working without constant charging interruptions. Number 8. Bad wiper blades can make driving in heavy rain feel genuinely dangerous. These OEM-quality premium wiper blades are designed for smooth, quiet, and streak-free performance in all weather conditions. Their aerodynamic shape reduces noise and prevents lifting at high speeds. Number 9. A small lighting upgrade can completely change how your truck looks at night. The SUPAREE LED third brake light adds a modern smoked lens style while improving brake visibility for Toyota Tundra owners. Bright LEDs help make braking more noticeable to other drivers for added safety. The built-in cargo lights also make loading and unloading at night much easier. Its direct fit design allows simple installation without difficult modifications. Number 10. Driving an older car without modern tech starts feeling outdated very quickly. The Vucarul's 7-inch portable touchscreen adds wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to almost any vehicle. It supports navigation, Bluetooth calling, music streaming, backup cameras, and mirror link features. The HD touchscreen feels responsive and easy to use while driving. Installation is simple enough for most people without professional help. Number 11. Dust hiding inside tiny corners can make even a clean car feel dirty. The SUPAREE car detailing brush kit is designed to clean dashboards, vents, wheels, seats, and hard-to-reach interior areas safely. The soft bristles prevent scratches while still removing dirt effectively. Comfortable handles make long detailing sessions much easier on your hands. These brushes clean areas regular towels simply cannot reach properly. Number 12. One unexpected power surge can damage expensive RV electronics instantly. This 50-amp RV surge protector protects campers and trailers from voltage spikes, faulty wiring, and electrical issues. The LED display clearly shows voltage conditions so you can monitor power safely. Its waterproof cover helps it handle outdoor camping environments without problems. Heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting reliability during travel. Number 13. Some repair jobs become nightmares when you don't have the right tools. The Orion Motor Tech 9-way slide hammer puller set is built for removing hubs, bearings, axles, and stubborn automotive parts more easily. Multiple attachments allow it to handle different repair tasks without needing extra tools. The heavy-duty steel construction feels durable and professional during use. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or learning automotive repair. Number 14. Changing a tire manually on the roadside is something nobody enjoys doing. The ECLP electric car jack lifts your vehicle automatically with the press of a button. It also includes an electric impact wrench and built-in inflator for complete roadside convenience. The compact kit stores neatly inside your trunk and connects to your car's 12V outlet. Its lifting range works well for most sedans and smaller vehicles. This gadget can make stressful roadside emergencies far easier to handle. Number 15. Sleeping inside a normal truck during camping trips is usually uncomfortable and cramped. The Nifean truck bed tent transforms your pickup bed into a fast, inflatable camping shelter within minutes. Its spacious, waterproof interior keeps you protected from rain, wind, and rough outdoor conditions. Large windows improve airflow and make the tent feel more comfortable inside. The setup process is surprisingly quick compared to traditional camping tents. Number 16. One accident without video proof can instantly turn into a huge problem. The 70mm 4K dash cam records sharp front and rear footage with impressive HDR night vision for low-light driving. Features like AI motion detection, GPS tracking, voice control, and parking mode make it feel extremely advanced. Wi-Fi support allows easy access to recordings directly from your phone. The crystal-clear 4K quality helps capture important details like license plates more clearly. Number 17. Once you use a large wireless CarPlay screen, small outdated car displays feel ancient. The 9.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen adds navigation, voice control, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and backup camera support to almost any vehicle. The large display makes maps and apps much easier to see while driving. Its plug-and-play setup keeps installation simple without major modifications. OTA updates help keep the system modern with new features over time. Number 18. Faded trim can make your entire vehicle look older than it actually is. The Exoforma Black Trim Restorer restores deep black color to faded bumpers, trim pieces, and vinyl surfaces. Unlike temporary shine sprays, this formula is designed to last for months while resisting water and sunlight. The easy application process makes it beginner-friendly and satisfying to use. It works especially well on trucks, Jeeps, and outdoor vehicles. Number 19. A dead battery in the middle of nowhere can quickly turn into a serious headache. The WOLFBOX 3000A Jumpstarter can jumpstart large gas and diesel engines while also functioning as a portable air compressor and fast charger. The built-in flashlight becomes extremely useful during nighttime emergencies. Its compact design stores easily inside your vehicle without taking much space. Number 20. Cooking outdoors becomes frustrating fast when everything is unorganized and messy. The Shawajin Overland Kitchen Slide-Out System turns your SUV or vehicle into a fully organized camping kitchen. It includes a sink, chopping station, cooking area, and folding table all packed into one setup. The slide-out system makes setup incredibly quick during camping or overlanding trips. Durable construction helps it survive outdoor conditions and rough travel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome gadgets. All gadget links are in the description below. Check them out before they sell out.